proposal at its next meeting, which is December 14th.
'Tis the season of giving and for giving back. Today in Chesterfield, 2 Virginia families got the gift of a lifetime. It'll help get them moving again. 8 News reporter Amy Simpson's in our digital center tonight with the details. Amy?
Juan, how do you repay men and women who've served in uniform? Today, with just 3 weeks until Christmas, 2 Virginia families got a gift without a price tag, the gift of independence. Wrapped in a bow, just like in the commercials. 2 veteran families hitting the road again.
Reliable transportation is something that many of us may take for granted, but it's something that's so necessary.
After 14 years in the Army, a shiny red Toyota is the gift that keeps on giving.
The long commutes that I used to have with public transportation, I can eliminate that right now.
Thanks to the nonprofit Soldiers Angels and a little magic from Richmond area Geico and Caliber Collision Elves.
Technicians, estimators, center managers, all those folks have donated well over 100 hours of their time to restore both of these vehicles.
Shay and Jerry Griffin both served in the military.
We had a vehicle that was working, it went down. You know, economy, the way things are, made it hard for us.
For some time, they've relied on Uber to get from point A to point B.
I don't know where we'd be right now. We'd probably still be sitting at home waiting for, a blessing to come by.
Now they're overjoyed with a Dodge SUV, big enough to fit the whole family.
A lot of people had a hand in this and made it work, and I'm really thankful for that.
And that's what I'm thankful for the most, that people are looking out for all of us.
Both of these families, these veteran families, live in Hampton, Virginia. They were nominated to receive these recycled rides by Soldiers Angels. That's a nonprofit who supports our men and women in uniform. Caliber Collision says since it's began this program, they've gotten reliable transportation to more than 300 people in need. In the Digital Center, Amy Simpson, 8 News.
All right, Amy, thanks so much.